Let me show you a dope Easter egg to watch Star Wars right in your CMD. You don't need a Disney Plus subscription. First press Windows plus R on your keyboard, then type in CMD and hit return. You should see this window. Now type this exactly. telnettal.blinkenlights.nl. If you see this error, don't worry, that's normal. Here's what to do. Press Windows plus R again on your keyboard and then type this. Optional features. Now we're looking for a box that says Telnet Client. Here it is. Check the box and hit OK. Now close this window when it's completed. Now do the same thing as earlier. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type CMD and hit return. Now we're going to type in the same code again. telnettal.blinkenlights.nl. and hit return. If you see this screen, congratulations. Now go and grab your popcorn and sit back and watch Star Wars Wars Episode 4, A New Hope, retold entirely in text art. Credit goes to Simon Jansen. So yeah, that's how you watch Star Wars in your CMD. It's a fun trick for that nostalgia of the 90s era of the internet. And here's a bonus tip. You can open Notepad, type this. Next, go to File, Save As, and select all file types. Make sure your file name ends with .bat. Hit Save, and now you can just double-click this batch file to run your movie. Enjoy, and follow for more. May the Force be with you.